This course in Excel is going to give you an appreciation of all you need to know to be able to start using Excel and to effectively use the functionality, which includes your VLOOKUP functions, date functions, formulas, and a whole lot of other things which are in Excel. We're going to take you from the very basics, understanding the layout of Excel, inputting data, being able to use formulas, being able to develop charts, being able to use analytical tools, and being able, most importantly, to use Excel as an analysis device. This course is ideal for anyone who is required to input data, to analyze data, to collect data, and to use data for various other applications. Whether you're in an accounting discipline, engineering, or various other disciplines along the broad spectrum, this course will help you improve your appreciation of Excel and will help you manage your workflow. This course will help you improve your appreciation of Excel and reduce the amount of time you spend working on data. Knowing how to use Excel is one of the most important skills you will need in a professional career today. Take this course today and you'll be equipped for career success.